Hello fellow OQLIS users, this is Sean, CEO of OQLIS. Today we're going to unpack or show you a little bit of a new feature within OQLIS. It's called the Rapid Explores. The reason why we've decided to create this is to solve a couple of problems for our customers, and that being the whole idea that most people extract data from databases in the form of CSVs or Excel documents and then wrangle them, pivot them, and make them to find really good insights into their data. So we've sort of come with this concept of Rapid Explores, and what this does is allows you in one place to be able to do those exploratory type of analytics in an easy and simple way. So let me just show you how it works. So you'll see there's this new tab called Rapid Explores. You click on it, and basically what it does is it takes you through to the Rapid Explore screen, which then has your different areas. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you one that has already been created. So in a normal situation you would have done add new. You give it a name, give it a description, create your palette of colors that you want to use, give it some access levels. You then put it into a space where you need to find it. You then attach it to some other data model that you've already created, and then you do your filter column. This is where the group by sort of type of area is, and the date, what the date column. So it all works on date orientated data, and then you can basically put it in terms of the filters: weekly, daily, monthly, or even hourly, minutes, whatever the case may be, what your date is. And you can start then selecting your group by statements, averaging it, and then your group filters, and you pretty much save it. So that's how you create it. So it's quite simple. Normally a little bit somebody with more skills would be able to do that, but what we'd want to do is then create it. Once it's in place, you just click onto that sales data, and what you'll see is it brings up your screen. Yes, you can filter by the from date to the end date. You can do it by day. So let's just go through a little bit example here. So what I'm going to do is let's just create units sold, and we're going to do it by region. So let's just go, we fetch the data to show you that the data fetches back the information that you're looking for. So say for example you would like to group it by item type, let's just leave it at that, and you'd like to see it by year. You fetch the data and it brings it through into the years that you'd like to do it. So with a quick and easy way, you can go through exactly what you want to do. Let's say for example you'd like to look at 2006, because I see there's something happened in 2006 and 2007 seems to be quite good. So you can then quickly click on here and get 2006 January the 1st. Okay, and refresh your data, and we'll start doing that. And if you want to then change this view to monthly, let's fetch it, and you'll start looking at a little bit of the data. So the whole idea behind Rapid Explores is just to make it simple for somebody that doesn't need to, or you don't want them to actually go and extract data and pivot and things like that. This is connecting directly to the database. You can do a whole lot of explores, find out what your data is telling you and what you need to act on, and make those important decisions that really move the needle within your business. Thank you very much for listening, and looking forward to contacting you or speaking to you about our product and our solutions that we can solve your problems. Subscribe to our channel, and give us a heads up whether you want to speak to us, and enjoy some of the really insightfulness that OQLIS can bring you in your business. Thank you very much.